Morning class. Question number 7 is a milkman sold 2 of his buffaloes. मिल्कमैन के पास 2 बफेलोज हैं और वो सेल करता है 20,000 रुपीज ईच. फर्स्ट बफेलो selling price for first buffalo 20,000 rupees. Clear? And you have given selling price of second buffalo also rupees 20,000. This is for second buffalo and this is for first buffalo. But on one buffalo he gained a 5%. You have given the gain 5%, but on second buffalo loss 10%. What does it mean? इनका मतलब कॉस्ट प्राइस डिफरेंट था. सेलिंग प्राइस दोनों का 20,000 है. एक पे लॉस होते हैं, एक पे गेन होते हैं. इट मींस दोनों का कॉस्ट प्राइस डिफरेंट था. लेट्स फाइंड द ओवरऑल कॉस्ट प्राइस, देन ओवरऑल loss and gain. And you know very well in previous video I have explained you the formula for selling price, cost price. You have given the selling price, then cost price is selling price into 100 upon 100 plus if profit, and cost price is selling price into 100 upon 100 minus loss. Same formula, but if profit then 100 plus profit, and if loss then 100 minus loss. So put the values. Cost price for first buffalo is 20,000 into 100 upon 100 plus profit 5%, so it is 105. And here cost price is 20,000 multiply by 100 minus loss percent, so loss percent is 10%, so that is 100 minus 10, 90. And here it is profit percent, so 100 plus 5%, 105%. Clear? So while you calculate this cost price of first buffalo, it will be 19,000, I think 20,000 into 100 divided by 105 will be 19,047 rupees 0.62 paise. When you will multiply ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 20 lakh, when you divide 20 lakh by 105, you will get 19,047.62. And when this 20 lakh divided by 90, the cost price of second buffalo will be 22,222.22. So total cost price you find by applying the formula, the cost price of first buffalo, cost price of second buffalo. Now the total cost price will be cost price of this buffalo 19,047.62 plus 22,222.22, and that will be equal to 41,269.84 rupees. First price, cost price of first buffalo, cost price of second buffalo, then by adding you get the cost price of 2 buffaloes. Now what will be the selling price of 2 buffaloes? 20,000 की first buffalo थी, 20,000 की second, so selling price is 40,000. Selling price of both buffalo is 40,000, cost price is 41,269. Cost price is greater than the selling price. It means loss or gain? Naturally loss. खरीदी मैंने ज्यादा की है, बेची मैंने कम की है, तो मुझे लॉस ही होगा. So overall loss will be cost price minus selling price. कॉस्ट प्राइस दोनों वैल्यूज का 41,269.84 minus 40,000. So your answer will be 1,269 rupees point 84. Clear? What you did? आपको एक बुफेलो का सेलिंग प्राइस पता था 20,000, दूसरी बुफेलो का सेलिंग प्राइस पता था 20,000, बट आपको देखना है कि जब उसने दोनों बुफेलो सेल करी, एक पे गेन है दूसरी पे लॉस है, तो ओवरऑल मींस वो तो सिंगल फर्स्ट पे गेन है सेकंड पे लॉस है, बट ओवरऑल मींस दोनों पे उसको लॉस आता है या गेन. फॉर दैट you find the cost price of both buffalo, then total selling price 20,000 plus 20,000, total cost price this plus this. So now your cost price is more than the selling price, it means loss of 1,269 rupees 84 paise. Clear?